Now here deploy a smart contract in local Ganache node. Make sure open your Ganache node in our mission and to load your Ether's Ganache account to MetaMask and then MetaMask connect to the Remix ID with the help of the injected provided MetaMask option. First we need to open your MetaMask. Then with the expanded view. Then see the test networks. Suppose in the network is there, but we need to add our own Ganache network that is running on your local machine. That's why I'm going to add a custom network. The network name is the Ganache. And the node is running my port number 7545. This 7545. Now the chain ID for Ganache is 1337. Currency in the Ganache is E plus, that's your ETH. Now Ganache was successfully added to the MetaMask. One of the network is Ganache network. That network ID is 5777. This net ID is added to MetaMask. Ethereum main network ID is 1. The main network of Ethereum network is 1. The Ganache network ID is 5777. Now I am switching to my wallet to local node, local blockchain node, that is a Ganache. Now I want to import one of the account to the Ganache. I want to import the first account using the private key. I'm copying the private key, then clicking add account, import account, pasting the private key, import. Now you see here my second account is added under this. Both are in the local networks. This is also local. I want to transfer some Ethers to this account. Now send to this account some Ethers. Something. I'm sending. Ether sending from second one to first account. If you want to increase the speed, you can put the speed up. After some time, confirmation. Now you can able to see the two accounts having the details. So this is a local Ganache node. Now you can see the first account is being transferred another account as well. Now you have only 50. Now I want to connect MetaMask. It's an injected provider. I'm selecting. This is asking Ethereum. Here, see your accounts registered transactions. So if you edit, how many accounts are there? Those accounts information will be shown. I want to select two account 1 and account 2 added to my remix cycle. That's why I'm selecting 2 of 8. Next one, here click editing, only selecting the Ganache only. Really? Ganache only. Selecting this one. Only Ganache only. I required only network is the Ganache network. That's much. Separate. Now I'm going to click on connect. Once confirmation happens, will be network showing the system 5777. 5777 network nothing but it. One network is 5777. It is the Ganache. Now we are able to see those icons. It's wait 1 minute. Features will use slow. Okay. Here one account I have 50, another account I have 40. Why? Because one account to another account we transfer 50. Some gas fees detected from one account. Second account. That's why some amount will be lesser showing while observing in the account section. Now I want to run or usually say the compile this smart contract first. This is the example for smart contract I write as a counter just two functionalities I added here. One is the increment, one is the decrement. One counter variable is there. The when I'm clicking the selecting the increment, one counter is implemented. When I'm selecting decrement, one counter will be decreased by one. Counter is increased by one, but counter also decreased by one. These two events happen when event is happen, increment event happen, counter will be implemented. When decrement event is happen, counter will be decremented. Now, initially I want to compile this one using 0.8.14. Compiler version is 0.8.14. Now compiling. After compilation, you know the ABI code and the bytecode, application binary interface code as well as bytecode. Now, whatever bytecode is generated, I want to deploy in the Ganache. Already your remix IDE we connected with the help of the provided, injected provided MetaMask option environment. Currently we are in the network with a 5777, nothing but the Ganache. In that one, account center. I want to deploy this contract into the local domain. Just click the deploy button. Just click the deploy. While deploying, some gas fee is collected. That gas fee is from the your Ganache node account. Now, after successful transaction is one confirmed. Transaction is confirmed in the Ganache node or local blockchain. Here also we can able to see the status of the green color and tick mark. Network successfully happened. Now see, we are blocked. And also transaction happened. Now you see the account section. Some ethers are deducted from your this account. The smart contract is now running on the this node blockchain node help. Now click the counter button. Now initially interact with the smart contract. Interact with the smart contract. I'm clicking the counter. Initially 0. When I'm clicking the increment 1 time, automatically this goes to the amount. If you do any operation, if required any gas amount, that will be deducted from Ganache. Ganache node having equal that transaction is confirmed. While doing the increment, some gas fees and keep the count directly we are getting the count. Reading point of view, we don't require any gas amount. While updating the state variable, we require gas. Again, I'm clicking the increment. Again, same. If you're doing any state variable changing, we need gas. Some fuel is consumption. Now, for reading the value not required. Directly we can. I want to update the two to one by clicking the event, the transaction is a decrement transaction. Look it up. Again, when you changing some value in the state variable, automatically we require gas fees. Require gas fees. We require gas fees. That gas fee is collected from the account of connected your Ethereum node, that is a Ganache. Ganache. You see some that amount will be deducted from total based on how many transactions happen in this node showing as the blocks. So showing with the blocks. You can see that transaction stream also. This is the contract call, this is the contract call, this is the contract call. When you're deploying, that is the contract creation. When you're transferring money one account to another account, that is the value transfer. Here we can see the status of each transaction, the purpose of transaction. There is a value transfer, your contract creation, deployment time. This is contract call, increment. This is all contract call, increment. This is the experiment. Just now we did all. This is a way you can use the uh, Ganache node to test your smart contracts, to deploy smart contracts in your local blockchain node, and we can interact with the smart contract with the help of the Remix ID, the help of the MetaMask wallet IDE providing one of the option is injected provided MetaMask.